Hey guys, this is Razvan Dragos, and today we're doing an unboxing of the Sony MDR-XB950 Bluetooth headphones. These are the extra bass wireless version in blue. This is the front of the box. Here we have the side and the back with a bunch of pictures. Go ahead and open these. I'm going to slide this box out. And in here we have everything. It's a small little box containing the information guides and the cables. Here's a charge cable, which is a USB to micro USB cable, and the 3.5mm headphone jack cable, gold plated. And besides that, we got the headphones themselves. These are a vibrant blue color. We got these for $150 from Best Buy. They are extendable. They got the leather up top and then on the ear cups. On the right ear cup we have the play and pause button. We got the skip and reverse. We also have the volume up and down button and the NFC tag along with some Sony branding. On the left ear cup we have the power button, the bass boost button, the charge plug which goes in like that, 3.5 input cable slot goes in like that, and a little microphone along with some more Sony branding. We really recommend these because they have a ton of bass, which we like. And if you guys want us to go over any other products, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.